Hey Lawrence, Eddie Multi-Man Services, good to see you again. Thanks again for having us out here. Sincerely appreciate your business and helping take care and maintain your home. So thought I'd just film a quick video to kind of give you an update on what we noticed and how everything's going. So flip the camera around here. So gutters are cleared out here real good. Gutters are cleared out. If you were to do any maintenance on the house, there's a little area over here where your drip edge is on that flat part. You can kind of see how it's kind of lifting up and water might be going behind there. So I think I mentioned this to you the last time we were here. If you were to do anything, that would probably be something you wanted to take care of sooner than later. And then on your chimney over here, it's got some cracks going on where the flashing and the caulking and the crown up top has a lot of cracking on it as well. So to prevent any future issues there, I would encourage an updated sealing of the crown. A few other services if you wanted to get into talking about that, but help you prevent future problems in the future. Full bag of debris here, so we'll put that next to your garage on the left. And what else we got here? Pollen season is here. So once the pollen is done, I was going to rinse off your front porch, but I just know that the oaks and the pollen is just going to be, I'd be glad to give you like a $150 discount on the house wash here. Pretty simple house wash for us. And that way you can afford to, add on outdoor window cleaning while we're here. Really appreciate you having us come out and do the gutter cleaning. Got this gutter cleaned really good here. Got the debris out of the lower gutter. While we're washing the house, we'll flush off the pollen off the front face of the metal roof there. Otherwise, everything is good to go. I think that's all we got. Look forward to getting your house washed up, outdoor windows cleaned. Any questions you have, you know where to find us. Thank you.